Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be actually showing you how to fix the Roblox memory dump error in your PC. Now it's a very easy and common fix. Now as you can see, this is the error I'm speaking about, and the first thing that we want to do is go to the Roblox player icon and we right click it. Now from there we go to show more options and we head to the properties of the icon. Now from here we open up the file location in the bottom left corner, and here we find the Roblox player beta.exe. Now we do this for this as well, so right click it, show more options, head to properties, and here there's a load of options. A window opens up. Now from here we go to the compatibility, and here we go to compatibility mode. Now we run this program in Windows 8, as you can see right here, and there are two other options. Now it's very important that you disable the full screen optimizations and that you run this program as an administrator. Now from here we press apply and press OK, and that should be it. Now if this still didn't fix your issue, I have another method that can fix your issue. Now the next thing that we want to do is clear the temporary file. So what we will do right here is go to the search bar in the bottom of our screen and type in %local app data % and press enter. What this will do, it will take us to all the temporary files in your computer. Now pick a random folder, press it once and type R. This will take you to the Roblox folder. Now what we will do right here is to simply right click it and move it to the bin, so delete it, and that should be it. Now if you still run into issues, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.